Installing an RTC battery. Insert the battery into the holder at an angle, and then push it to an upright position so it is fully seated in the holder. Close the NSM module cover, and then fasten the thumb screw. Install the NSM module. Make sure that the latching mechanism arms are locked in the fully extended position. Using both hands, gently slide the NSM module into the shelf until the weight of the NSM module is fully supported by the shelf. Push the NSM module into the shelf until it stops. Loop your index fingers through the finger holes of the latching mechanisms on either side of the NSM module. With your thumbs, press down and hold the orange tabs on top of the latching mechanisms. Gently push forward to get the latches over the stop marking. Release your thumbs from the tops of the latching mechanisms, and then continue pushing until the latching mechanisms snap into place. The NSM module should be fully inserted into the shelf and flush with the edges of the shelf.